Hello everyone, I am here to show you simple mathematics. Okay, so 4 divided by 20 over 20 divided by 40. Okay, let we see each. Let we see it one by one. 4 divided by 20 means 4 divided by 20. Okay, and divided by over means divided by. So divided by 20 divided by 14. So here 4 divided by 20 means 4 over 20. Okay, then divided by 20 over 40. So here 4 over 20 means 4 over 20 means, yeah, by 4, that means divided by 4, 1, divided by 4, which is 5, then divided by, here, divided by 20, it is 1, sorry, it is 1, over, by 22, yeah, then 1 over 5 divided by 1 over 2, that means 1 over 5 divided by 1 over 2 means times 2 over 1, because division is a reciprocal of what? Multiplication. Then which equals to 1 times 2 over 5 times 1, which equals to 1 times 2 means which is 2, and 5 times 1 means which is 5. Okay, therefore 4 divided by 20 over 20 divided by 40, which equals to 2 over 5. Okay, 2 over 5. See, this is the answer. Okay, let us see another question. Okay, let us see another question which is similar to the previous one. 2 divided by 10 over 30 divided by 15, yeah, divided by 15. But I need the answer of this question on the comment section. Okay, try it and put your answer on the comment section and I will see it. Thank you for listening.